Welcome back, guys. So right now I'm going to open my WhatsApp. I'm going to try to connect my WhatsApp to the Facebook page we just created. So all I have to do is to come to my WhatsApp business, not just WhatsApp business. I'm going to open that, and to do that I have to come to the settings. So all I have to do is to come to the settings. I'm going to tap on this and come to the profile. You can come to the profile or come to settings as well. So I'm going to come to the settings and I'm going to check for business. I'm going to click on the profile. Let me just click on the profile. Then you see all the things we've done so far, and you see add Facebook or Instagram. So I'm going to add a Facebook page. This is the Facebook page we just created. I'm going to just click on this plus and I'm going to continue to log into Facebook, trying to link this page. So continue. Here is the page. Here is the page you are trying to link. So I'm going to connect this. I'm going to connect this to my WhatsApp account. So I'll say connect to WhatsApp. So we're going to have that page connected, and this is one of the things you should do. Make sure you connect your WhatsApp to your Facebook. I know we'll be able to connect Facebook to WhatsApp earlier on, but do that as well for WhatsApp. Connect WhatsApp to Facebook. Your accounts are connected. Make sure this is done before you proceed in whatever we are doing here on WhatsApp. So I'm going back to my WhatsApp to see what is going to prompt. So coming back to my WhatsApp here, let's see. We could see Bila Tech Academy has been added, just Instagram has not been added. So we're just going to leave it at that, since all we are talking about is just Facebook right now. I hope to see you in the next lesson. See you there.